Hello and welcome back YouTube to my newest tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can view private stories, highlights and posts of any Instagram profile. Whenever it's private or public, using the tool that I found, you can view them. For the video purpose, I'll be showing you how you can view private stories and posts. So first you need to go to Instagram and write in the username of the person that you want to follow and try and request to get the follow accepted. But if the person doesn't accept you, then you will go to this website which I found called ReasyView.com. It's an amazing application which you can use to view profile, and in the profile you can view any photo, any post, story, highlight, etc. So all you need to do is click on the view any profile button and you'll be presented with their viewer application. So next you need to write in the username here of the person that you want to view. In my case it's this username, so 1 second while I write that in. Alright, now we're fetching the profile. This is the profile, and just click confirm and unlock. Now wait for the viewer application to do its magic while it's unlocking the profile, and once it reaches that 100% mark, you'll be presented with the unlocked profile and you can view the private Instagram stories. Should be finished. So it's bypassing the content visibility layer. This is the final step. All contact decrypted, access granted. So it should now load up everything the person has posted, and if there is a story you can just click and you'll be able to view it. If there's not, you can just view the photo. Here are all the highlights you can see. You can see the posts and everything. So thank you for watching, and if you want to view any profile, just go to ReasyView.com. Have a nice day and bye bye.